Student, I welcomes you here at Matra Education Hub. I am Ashish, your educator. We are discussing matrices. This is another very important video for matrices. In this video, we discuss adjoint of a matrix, inverse of a matrix, by matrix method or with adjoint method. By elementary row transformation method, by elementary column transformation, by properties of orthogonal and unitary matrix. I mean discussion, that is, I am sharing my concept and will wait for your comment and then I will reply. That is two way of communication. Let's start. Thank you. Adjoint of a matrix. Let A is a matrix having element A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. That is square matrix of order 3 cross 3. For adjoint, we find another matrix C, whose element are C11, C12, C13, C21, C22, C23, and C31, C32, C33. Here C11, C12, C13 and all the C's are the cofactor of A. What is cofactor? Here we can define C11 as minus 1 power 1 plus 1 with a square determinant of matrix A, that is hiding A11 horizontally and parallelly, yani vertically, that is vertically, and write A22, A23, A32 and A33. We can see minus 1 power 2, that is plus 1, and value of determinant is A22, A33 minus A32 and A23. Similarly, C12, C13 dash dash C33 can be obtained after finding all the C and putting in the matrix C. We get transpose of C, that is C dash. This is known as adjoint of matrix A. Very easy. That is, C dash is defined as adjoint of a given matrix A. See again. If a matrix is given, that is A, we find another matrix C having elements C11, C12, C13, C21, C22, C23, C31, C32, C33 as element, and element of C are the cofactor of matrix A. That is C11 is what? This. C22 is what? We hide A22 vertically and horizontally, we get C22 as minus 1 power 2 plus 2 and determinant A11, A31, A13, A33 and find this value of determinant. This is plus A11, A33 minus A31, A13. This is the value of AC22. We put all the C11, C12, C13 cofactor values here and find C dash, that is transpose, as we discussed in earlier video. Transpose C dash, which is known as adjoint A. Very easy. Okay. Now second, inverse of a matrix. Inverse of a matrix can find by 4 ways. First two for all and last two for special condition. That is for orthogonal matrix. Last is a special orthogonal matrix and unitary matrix. First three is general for all matrices. This is special for orthogonal matrix and unitary matrix for a given condition. First we understand D. What is D? If a matrix given is orthogonal property, that is A dash equal I, then we can write A dash equal I by A, that is A inverse of orthogonal matrix is equal to transpose of that matrix. Very easy. Okay. Similarly, unitary matrix A theta equal I, then A theta equal I by A, that is A inverse, that is inverse of unitary matrix is equal to the conjugate transpose of the matrix, that is A dash bar. So if any question holding the property of conjugate transpose, that is following the property unitary matrix, that is A inverse will equal to the transpose conjugate. Now inverse of a matrix by first method, A, matrix method or adjoint method. We take A equal I A, as or this, not this, we take Ax equal B. A is first matrix or given matrix and X are variables and B are the values of equation. In this method we find solution of variables x, y, z, but here we have to find only inverse. Okay, for this we know the property A into adjoint A equal mod of A into I of that order. I of that order. Now adjoint A by A equal I by A, that is A inverse. That is, A inverse can be obtained after finding the value of determinant of that matrix and adjoint of that matrix. Okay, now we know how to obtain adjoint matrix, and also we know how to find more determinant of a matrix. Now second method, elementary row transformation. Okay, for this we take A equal IA. We transform it I equal BA, that is I by A equal B, that is A inverse is B. Very easy. See again, we know the property A equal IA. Okay, we apply some transformation as this matrix convert into identity matrix and this matrix convert into another matrix, let B. Then it became I into BA, that is I by A equal B, and we know I by A is A inverse, that is we have A inverse equal B. By example, take a matrix A having element 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1. Okay, we have to find the inverse of this matrix. For this we take A equal IA, that is 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1. I should be same order as A. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 and A. Now we apply some transformation in A as I. R1 R2 interchange, that is 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1. That is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, A. we make 0 this and this, but this is 0 as we can see, that is R3 replaced by R3 minus 3R1 in both sides, this and this. First, we have to transform R3. No change in R1 and R2. Now copy 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2. Same here 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, and now transform it. R3 multiplied by 3, not R3 is 3 and 3R1. We multiply minus 3 in R1 and add in R3, that is 0. Minus 6 plus 1, that is minus 5. Okay, 3 is 9, minus 9 plus 1 minus 8. Same here, in this multiply by minus 3 we get 0 plus 0, 0, minus 3 and 1. Further, we make this and this 0. First we make this and this 0, second make this and this 0, in last we make this and this 0. Okay, this is very easy. Now replace R1 and R3. R1 minus 2R2 and R3 minus plus 5R2. Now copy R2 because it is same. After transformation 0, 1, 2, 1, 0, 0. Now apply operation for minus 2 for R1, multiply R2 by minus 2 and R1, minus 0 plus 1, 1, minus 2 plus 2, 0, minus 4 plus 3, 1, and multiply by 5 in R2 to transform R3, to transform R3 as 0, 5 R2, 0, 5 minus 5, 0, 10 minus 2, 2. Same here, this multiply by minus 2 plus 0, minus 2, 0, 1, 0, 0. Now multiply it 5 by 5, 5, 0, 5, 5, 0, minus 3, and 0 1. Now in last we have to make 0 this and this only. As we first we find transformation for this and this, that is 0. After this and this, now this and this. After this it change in I, that is R1 replace and R2 replace R1. But first we have to make 1. This element is 1. Before this make element is 1, that is see here, first B divided R3 by 2, that is 1 0 1 0 1 2 0 0 1. Same here, minus 1 0 1 0 0, 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 and 1 by 2. Okay. Now we use transformation to get 0 for this place, R1 and R2. R1 replaced by R1 plus minus R2. I think this was minus 1. Okay, this was minus 1, you can see. This is minus 1, you can see operation applying here. Okay. Now 1 0 minus 1 0 1 2 and 0 0 1. Minus 2 1 0 1 0 0, 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 1 by 2. Now R1 replaced by R1 plus R3 and R2 replaced by 2R3. Okay, replace these two. R3, there is no change in R3 after transformation, so we have to copy it. Okay, same here, 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 and 1 by 2. Okay, R1 minus R3 R1 plus R3, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0, 1 and minus 1 0, and for R2 multiplied minus 2 into 0 plus 1, that is 0 0 plus 1 1, and minus 2 plus 2, multiplying minus 2 plus 2, that is 0. Same operation here. Add this in 5 by 2 minus 2, that is 1 by 2, minus 3 by 2 plus 1, that is minus 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 in 0, that is 1 by 2. multiplied minus 2, 2 cancel, minus 5 and minus 5 add in plus 1, minus 5 plus 1 4 plus 3 and minus 1, that is it. This is I, this is B, this is A, that is I by A, that is A inverse is B, and B is what? B is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 4, 3, minus 1, 5 by 2, minus 3 by 2, 1 by 2. Okay, I hope